Okay, so today is a beautiful day, and today I'm going to replace the rear view mirror on the left side of this Q7. And I just received this one from ECS Tuning, and let's see if it's going to replace it well and work correctly. Okay, so this one is 2008 Q7, and this is the first thing that failed on this car since I bought it new. So the mirror here, and it doesn't work at all. Everything else is working. The other mirror works fine. Okay, so to remove this mirror so we can get into the motor, and we put the finger in here. I think we better use two hands so we don't want to break it. Okay, so we put two hands in here, and you just pull it, it will snap out very easily. Something is still here. We should put this one back. So if you look here, these are the snap-on to this frame here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are just snap-on. These are the two guides that go in here. Okay. So to remove this, we have Torx screws 1, 2, and 3. So all we need to do is to remove those, and then we remove the motor. Okay, so the Torx that we use for this one is a small one. It's number 10. Okay, so after the 3 screw is out, all we need to do is to remove this connector. Now, last time I bought it from eBay, and even though they checked my VIN number and they got me the wrong one, the connector only had 3 pins instead of 6. So I had to return it, and it's a lot of work to return if it's not in the state. So the best one is to open it up and make sure what connector you have before you order. And the important thing is that it has to be the right part number. So the ECS Tuning showed me this part number, and it looks like it has 6-pin connector, so it should fit. So this one is a 6-pin connector instead of 3. Actually 8 pins, it's not 6 pins. Okay, 8 pin connector. Okay, so let's open this up. So the part number on this one is 7L6 959 577-A. So this is the old one. I think the number here is important. It's 2198-2629. And this one right here is also 2198-2629. So this is a new one, so it should fit. Okay, so the connector is keyed, so we can only plug it in one way. So now all we need to do is put it back and see if it works. Okay, so this one here is a little long, so we have to use the the long one to put it in. So now I know why this one is broken. Because on the old one, you can move this. The new one, it doesn't seem to budge at all. So it broke from the inside. So before we put the mirror back on, we can test and see if it's moving. Wow, it's working. Okay, so when we put this one back in, there are two guides. Make sure they are in the right slot. The two guides there, and then we press it all the way in so it snaps into the frame. Okay, when the two guys in, now all we need to do is to press it so that it will snap, so it won't fall out. Yep, you can hear it snap, and now it's in place really tight. We don't want it to dry and then it fall off. Okay. Alright, let's test it. Now we can do it. Beauty. Now let's see if we put it in reverse, it's going to drop down or not. It doesn't work. Only on the right side. Huh. But anyhow, it's working. It's done. So, ECS Tuning has the best price at this moment. And it's free shipping. So this is the first time I bought from ECS Tuning. So it's pretty good.